Chapter 11 Simple Interest Learning Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to know and use simple interest terminology, understand when interest is paid and when it is earned, know and use the formula for calculating simple interest. Warm up. Mrs. Johnson deposited rupees 50,000 in her bank account on 23rd October 21. She took out the money after a year and she got rupees 58,000. Calculate the difference. Teacher's note: apprise the student that the extra amount which Mrs. Johnson got is interest. Whenever we deposit money in the bank for safety, banks use it to give loans to other people. The bank then pays us a sum of money as interest as compensation for having used our money. Boy deposit rupees 1,000. He withdraw rupees 1,000. Extra money 0. This means that when you deposit money in a piggy bank, you will get no extra money. Boy deposits 1,000 rupees. He withdraws 1,100. Extra money 100. Now, when you deposit money in a bank, you will get extra money. The extra money that you get from the bank is known as interest or simple interest, denoted by SI. The money that you deposit in the bank is known as principal, denoted by P. The number of years for which you deposit this money is known as time, denoted by T. The SI is calculated at a rate % decided by the bank every year, denoted by R %, PA per year or per annum. SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. The money which you get from the bank including the interest is known as amount, denoted by A. Amount equals to principal plus interest, or A equals to P plus I. Solved example. Example 1. Find the simple interest in amount if P equals to rupees 4,000, R equals to rupees 5% PA, T equals to 2 years. Solution: S equals to P into R into T upon 100 equals to 4,000 into 5 into 2 upon 100 equals to rupees 400. Amount equals to P plus SI equals to 4,000 plus 400 equals to rupees 4,400. Example 2. Mr. Anubhav deposits rupees 5,000 in the bank for 5 years at the rate of 6% PA, but amount he will get back after 5 years. Solution: P equals to rupees 5,000, R equals to rupees 6% PA, T equals to 5 years. SI equals to P into R into T upon 100 equals to 5,000 plus 6 plus 5 upon 100 equals to 1,500. A equals to P plus SI equals to rupees equals to 5,000 plus 1,500 is equals to rupees 6,500. Hence, Mr. Anubhav will get rupees 6,500 after 5 years. Facts to know: the official discovery of the interest was found in the 16th century by Jacob Bernoulli. Example 3. Anuj deposited rupees 3,500 in a bank and got back an amount of rupees 4,000 after 1 year. Find the simple interest that Anuj get. Solution: P equals to rupees 3,500, R equals to rupees 4,000, SI equals to A minus P equals to rupees 4,000 minus 3,500 is equals to rupees 500. Hence, Anuj got an interest of rupees 500. Example 4. Rudit deposit rupees 5,000 in IDBI bank for rupees 3 years, which earns him an interest of 8%. What is the amount he gets back after 1 year, 2 years and 3 years? Solution: for every rupees 100, Rudit gets rupees 8. The rate is 8% for every 100. For rupee 1 he gets equals to rupees 8 upon 100. For rupees 5,000 he gets 5,000 into 8 upon 100 equals to 400. Simple interest for 1 year equals to 400. Simple interest for 2 years equals to rupees 400 into 2 equals to 800 rupees. Simple interest for 3 years equals to 400 rupees into 3 equals to rupees 1,200. Amount after 1 year equals to P plus SI. 5,000 rupees plus 400 equals to rupees 5,400. Amount after 2 years equals to P plus SI is equals to rupees 5,000 plus 800 equals to rupees 5,800. Amount after 3 years P plus SI is equals to rupees 5,000 plus 1,200 equals to rupees 6,200. Example 5. Ria invested certain amount of money and got back an amount of rupees 4800. If the bank paid an interest of rupees 400, find the amount Ria invested. Solution: A equals to rupees 4800, SI equals to rupees 400, P equals to A minus SI is equals to rupees 4800 minus rupees 400 is equals to rupees 4400. Ria invested rupees 4400. Exercise 11.1. Question 1. Find the simple interest and amount if A. P equals to rupees 2000, R equals to 8%, T equals to 3 years. Answer: amount 2480 and interest for 80. B. P equals to rupees 6000, R equals to 10%, T equals to 6 years. Answer: amount 9006 year and interest 3600. C. P equals to 1500 rupees, R equals to 2%, T equals to 1 year. Answer: amount 1530, interest 30. D. P equals to rupees 8000, R equals to 7%, T equals to 2 years. Answer: amount 9120, interest 1120. Question 2. Ruchi deposits rupees 8500 in the bank at the rate of 5% PA for 6 years. How much money did she get back after 6 years? Answer: 11,050. Question 3. John deposits rupees 5500 in the bank at the rate of 8.5% PA for 10 years. Find the amount John got after 10 years. Answer: 10,175. Question 4. Sona deposits rupees 3200 and got back rupees 3600 after 2 years. Find the interest she got. Answer: 400. Question 5. Vijay deposited a certain amount of money in the bank. He got back rupees 9900. If the bank paid him 900 as an interest, then what amount did Vijay deposit in the bank? Answer: 9000. Question 6. Ritesh deposited 2000 rupees in Yes Bank for 4 years, which earns him an interest of rupees 8%. What is the amount he gets after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year and 5 years? Answer: first year 20,160, second year 20,320, third year 20,480, fourth year 20,640, fifth year 20,900. Question 7. Kiran invested a certain amount of money and got back an amount of rupees 7,200. If the bank paid an interest of rupees 700, find the amount that Kiran invested. Answer: 6,500. Question 8. Pinky deposits of rupees 4,500 and got back an amount of rupees 5,000 after a year. Find the simple interest she got. Answer: 500. Question 6. Kratika deposits rupees 8,000 for 4 years at a rate of 6% PA. Find the amount she got. Answer: 9,920. Question 10. Raghav deposited rupees 4,800 and got back an amount of rupees 5,500 after 2 years. Find the simple interest he got. Answer: 700. To find principal P when I, R and T are given. P equals to 100 into I upon R into T. To find rate R when I, P and T are given. R is equals to 100 into I upon P into T. To find time is equals to when I, P and R are given. T equals to 100 into I upon P into R. Solved example. Example 1. Find P if I equals to rupees 800, R equals to 5% PA, T equals to 2 years. Solution: P equals to 100 into I upon R into T equals to 100 into 800 upon 5 into 2 is equals to rupees 8,000. Example 2. Find R if I is equals to rupees 1500, P is equals to rupees 5000, T is equals to 6 hours. Solution: R equals to 100 into I upon P into T is equals to 100 into 1500 upon 5000 into 6 is equals to 5% PA. Example 3. Find T if I is equals to rupees 1200, P is equals to rupees 7500, R is equals to 8% PA. Solution: T equals to 100 into I upon P into R equals to 100 into 1200 upon 7500 into 8 equals to 12 years. Example 4. Agriya borrowed a certain sum of money at the rate of 5% PA for years. If she got rupees 250 as interest, find the sum borrowed by her. Solution: R is equal to 5%, T is equals to 4 years, R equals to rupees 250p, P is equals to 100 into I upon R into T. 100 into 250 upon 5 into 4 is equals to rupees 1250. Example 5. Sneha left rupees 4000 for 5 years. If she got an interest of rupees 800, find the rate of interest per annum at which she lent the money. Solution: P 4000 rupees, T 5 years, I rupees 800, R is equals to 100 into I upon P into T. 100 into 800 upon 4000 into 5 is equals to 4%. Example 6. Shivam invested rupees 10,000 at the rate of 3% PA and got an interest of rupees 600 at the end of some year. Find the time after which Shivam got back rupees 10,600. Solution: P equals to rupees 10,000, R is equals to 3%, I is equals to rupees 600, T is equals to 100 into I upon P into R is equals to 100 into 600 upon 10,000 into 3 is equals to 2 years. Exercise 11.2. Question 1. Find P if A. I is equals to 500 rupees, R is equals to 2% PA, T is equals to 2 years. Answer: 12,500. B. I is equals to rupees 660, R is equals to rupees 4% PA, T is equals to 3 years. Answer: 5,005 years. Question 2. Find R if A. I is equals to rupees 700, P is equals to rupees 2,500, T is equals to 1 year. Answer: 28%. B. I is equals to rupees 1000, P is equals to rupees 6500, T is equals to 5 years. Answer: 31%. Question 3. Find T if A. I is equals to rupees 200, P is equals to rupees 2000, R is equals to 5 years per annum. Answer: 2 years. B. I is equals to rupees 6000, P is equals to rupees 24,000, R is equals to 5% PA. Answer: 5 years. Question 4. Sona invested rupees 2000 for 2 years. She got an interest of rupees 200. Find the rate of interest per annum at which she invested the money. Answer: 5%. Question 5. Kalpi lent a certain sum of money at the rate of 8% PA for 3 years. If she got rupees 600 as interest, find the sum borrowed by Kalpi. Answer: 2,500. Question 6. Pakhi invested rupees 4,500 at the rate of 4% PA. She got an interest of rupees 900 at the end of some year. Find the time after which she got back rupees 5,400. Answer: 5 years. Quick tip. 1. If time T is given in month, then divided by 12 to convert into years. 2. If time T is given in days, then divided by 365 to convert into years. Solved example. Example 1. Minnie deposited rupees 2,500 at the rate of 6% per annum for 7 years, 4 months. Find the amount she got back. Solution: P is equals to rupees 2,500, R is equals to rupees 6% per annum, T is equals to 7 years and 4 months is equals to 7, 4 upon 12 years is equals to 7, 1 upon 3 years is equals to 22 upon 3 years. SI: P into R into T upon 100 equals to 2,500 into 6 into 22 upon 100 into 3 is equals to rupees 1,100. A is equals to P plus SI is equals to rupees 2,500 plus 1,100 is equals to rupees 3,600. Minnie got back rupees 3,600. Example 2. Komal borrowed rupees 4,000 at the rate of 5% PA for 220 days. Find the interest and amount paid by Komal. Solution: P is equals to rupees 4,000, R is equals to rupees 5% PA, T is equals to 220 days is equals to 220 upon 365 years. SI is equals to P into R into T upon 100. 4,000 into 5 into 220 upon 100 into 365 is equals to rupees 120.55. A is equals to P plus SI. Rupees 4,000 plus 120.55 is equals to 4,120.55 rupees. Amount paid by Komal is rupees 4,120.55 and interest paid by Komal is rupees 120.55. Exercise 11.3. Question 1. Raj borrowed rupees 1500 at the rate of 6% PA for 7 years and 3 months. Find the amount he has to pay. Answer 2152.20. Question 2. Sajal invested rupees 3400 at the rate of 8% PA for 225 days. Find the interest and amount he got back. Answer 3567.67. Question 3. Sonal deposited rupees 1400 at the rate of 6% PA for 8 years and 5 months. Find the amount she got back after 8 years and 5 months. Answer 2107. Question 4. Anubhav borrowed rupees 14,600 at the rate of 14% PA for 175 days. Find the amount he paid back. Answer 15,580. Formulae 1. SI is equals to P into R into T upon 100. 2. A is equals to I plus P. 3. P is equals to A minus I. 4. I is equals to A minus P. 5. R is equals to 100 into I upon P into T. 6. T is equals to 100 into I upon P into R. 6. P is equals to 100 into I upon R into T. Think wisely. 2 money lenders lend money on the following condition. Ram rupees 18,000 at the rate of 6%. Raj rupees 24,000 at the rate of 3%. At the end of 1 year, who will get more interest and by how much? Answer Raj. Mental maths. Fill in the blanks. 1. Write the formula of simple interest. 2. The money that we deposit in a bank is known as principal. 3. The extra money that you get from the bank is known as interest. 4. Principal is denoted by P. 5. Time is denoted by T. 6. The number of years for which you deposit the money is known as time. Maths lab activity. Materials required: paper, pen, application form. Steps: 1. Student will need to choose 3 out of the 6 vehicles that they are interested in purchasing. 2. Students will calculate the interest and balance for the 3 vehicles from 2 bank offers. The teacher will give the amount and interest for each vehicle. 3. After completing all calculations, student will determine which car they want to purchase. In addition, they will determine which bank will give them the best offer. 4. Students will fill out the car loan application. Make sure they use a fake address and phone number. 5. The teacher will either approve or deny their loan application based on the calculated monthly payments. If incorrect, it will be denied and the students will need to fix it.